our React application in the production server. So as you can see, this is my local host. My application is running on the local host, and the same application is running on the production server as well. So, and it is very simple. I will explain it in only 5 minutes, and you will also be able to deploy your local host application onto the production server, and that is also free. So we will use vercel.com to deploy our application. So this is a free website hosting service, and we can deploy any front-end application in this Vercel. So let's start the video. So here in vercel.com we have to click on start deploying. Okay, after clicking on start deploying, you will be able to connect any of the Git providers. So I will choose GitHub. So you can choose any of the Git providers among these. I will choose GitHub. Okay, so I will log in using my GitHub account. Okay, so I'm logged in by using my GitHub account. So after logging into GitHub account, you have to import all the repositories, because I already have account using my GitHub to Vercel. So this already has imported all my repositories. But first time you have to import your repositories, you have to give the permissions initially. Then you will be able to see all the repositories here. So just assume I want to deploy this application. This is a React app training application, just a simple application. It was bootstrapped using create React app. So let's import. We have to click on the import so that Vercel can fetch all the code from our GitHub repository. So I will import. Okay, so after importing this repository, you will be able to add all the details for your deployment. So this is project name. You can add any name. Okay, and this it has already chosen this framework preset. So this is a create React app bootstrapped application. So it is already filled by default, but you can choose any other option as well. But if your application was bootstrapped using create React app, then this option will be there by default. And in the root directory, so root is also /root. So this is also a default root for create React app, so you don't need to change anything here. And next is build. So build options, they already have used npm run build or React script build. So these are the most common build commands. So they already have chosen these commands, so we don't need to override from here. And in case of output directory, so in my case, build is the output directory. As you can see in my code as well, this is my output directory build. So I will keep this as a build. But if this is the output directory name is dist, if in your case or something else, then you have to override from here, and then you have to enter that name. Either in most of the cases, either it will be build or it will be dist. And next we have install command. So in install, npm install will work for me. So I will keep it as it is, and I'm not using any environment variable as of now, so I will leave it blank. So if you are using a simple create React app, you don't need to make any change in this configuration for deployment. And then you have to just deploy. Click on this button, deploy. Okay, then if you go below here, you will see this is the deployment section, and you will see the build is getting deployed. It will take around 30 seconds or 1 minute. So let's wait for that time. Okay, so it is building the website, and it is very simple. And this service is a automatic push deployment service. So whenever you make any change and you push anything into your repository, then that change will automatically be picked from Vercel, and then again it will redeploy those changes. So you don't need to do anything again and again. You have to just push your code to your GitHub repo, and then those changes will be uh, automatically picked by Vercel, and those changes will be deployed. Okay guys, so within 1 minute your website is deployed now. It is saying congratulations. Wow, this is a moment to celebrate, little moment to celebrate actually. Yeah, so our website is deployed now, and this is just a preview. And we can click on this here, and we will be redirected to our production website. So this is our production website, so we can copy this URL, and if we try to open this in incognito mode also, then you will be able to see the application running there. Yeah, so application is running there perfectly. It means it is deployed globally on production build. Okay, so it was very easy guys. So using Vercel, we can easily deploy our React application and host there for free. So I think this was the aim for this video. So I hope you got some insight how we can deploy our React application for free on the production server. And if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share with your friends also. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.